All right, welcome back. Our next conversation is big. It is really, really big. Eswatini Mobile has dropped not just one, but two major announcements. And if you love iPhones, if you love data, if you love winning or convenience and staying plugged in, this one has your name written all over it. We're joined by the dynamic head of commercial, Ms. Nosipho Xaba, who's here to break down the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max competition. Yes, you heard that right. And she'll tell us exactly how simply loading 100 emalangeni or more as many times as you want could be your golden ticket to walking away with that device. And you will see the device today. I have to tell you that. And if that's not enough, there's a game-changing 5 gigabytes daily data bundle for just 10 emalangeni, designed for the hustlers. It's designed for the students, for the binge watchers, as well as entrepreneurs, the gamers, everyone really, content creators, basically everyone that is trying to stay connected without breaking the bank. But she's here. She'll help us really understand the dynamics of everything here and how you can get yourself that device or how you can access that 5 gigabytes. Welcome to the program, Tiane. Good morning.
Hi, Sfiso. Thank you for having Eswatini Mobile on studio.
Yeah.
Excited to be here.
I can imagine a lot of people are calling you, I need to win that iPhone. What can I do? Can we not find ways to make me win and not make it obvious? But no, rules are rules. Mm-hmm. And the competition is nothing like anything we've seen before. You have run a competition. I think that was the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which was the latest iPhone at the time. And you've come back with the biggest phone in the market right now. Let's start with that one. Walk us through how this competition works and how the viewers at home can enter.
Okay. Thank you, Sfiso, for having us at Kusile Breakfast Show. Like you've said, we've launched it again, iPhone competition. And this time around, yes, Eswatini saw us with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But you know us, we keep coming because we love Eswatini and we appreciate them so much for supporting the network. So now, just before the end of October, actually on the 24th of October, we launched our new competition, which is the iPhone 17 Pro Max giveaway. Yeah. So basically, what Eswatini must do is to load E100 emalangeni airtime. And that's just what they need to do. And to be honest, if you were to ask me what you can do with that 100 emalangeni airtime, you can buy a no frills 100. You can buy a fuel bag to fuel up your contract. You can buy roaming data. So it's absolutely up to the customer what they do with the 100 emalangeni. Asibacheli what to do. So the many times you load, you gain multiple entries into the draw. Now the draw will be on the 28th. So I said the competition started on the 24th of October. Right. It will run up to the 27th of November. Then the draw will be on the 28th of November on our Facebook. It will be live on our Facebook. And I know Eswatini is good to draw it on Facebook. We're maintaining that. The draw will be live on our Facebook page.
I think for the benefit of the viewer to really understand how great this offering is, I think it's wise for us to highlight the market price of the iPhone so that people really understand what they are walking away with here. Yeah.
So this phone currently, I think it goes up to 37,000. Yeah. There you're looking at 512 GB. I think the 1 tera is somewhere around 42K right now. So it's really big money. It's not just a phone, but this is a new technology that everyone is crazy about in the market, and that's basically what we're trying to do as Eswatini Mobile, to introduce the latest technologies into this market.
Yeah, and it's without a doubt that Eswatini Mobile continues to offer the leading network in the Kingdom of Eswatini. But if we're talking that kind of internet connection or calling connection or whatever you want to call it, but Eswatini Mobile also takes heed of the connection with its customers. And I want you to speak to that because you're quite intentional. We see you every day talking to customers, even execs. We see them on the streets, talking to vendors, the customers. Talk to us about why you value that connection with your fan base and your customers, that loyalty.
Okay, so Sfiso, even with this promotion, the creation and the planning of this promotion, the leaders from the executive chairman, Michelo Shakan, to my CEO, Sydney, they're very much involved in the planning and creative process of this promotion. And one would ask, why are the leaders so much involved, intimately involved with the operations, the day-to-day operations, the granular details of this business? The answer is simple. It's passion. We're passionate about the customer. We're passionate about our commitment to operational excellence, and that coming from the leadership, then cascading down to us as the employees.
Yeah.
That is what is fueling us. It's more like a culture.
Yeah.
Right now at Eswatini Mobile, we just want the customer we want to see the life of the customer becoming better every day. So the customer is at the center of what to do.
Yeah, and I think it's been a week and a half since you had a meet and greet and you did engage, listen, and speak to your customers and really try to exchange ideas there in addressing how you continue to improve and serve them. You've spoken about loading 100 Malangenias, opening your chances to winning this device. If I buy it 20 times, that means I have... Okay, to put it simply, there'll be 20 of my names in that bowl with which you'll be picking the names from, correct?
Yes.
But even if I load once, I can still be lucky.
You can still be... Listen, that one 100 Malangeni gets you inside this draw. So if you load 5 E100s, that means your number would have entered the draw 5 times. So, but the catch is, once we draw out your name, we remove you so that we give other a certain opportunity to win. Otherwise, you would win like 5 times, actually 3 times, and we don't want all these beautiful devices, technology to go to one person. So if you load 10 E100s, that means you have 10 entries into the draw on the 28th of November, live on our Facebook page.
It is, please pass me. I want to, and the silver one too, please. I want to raise it on the screen. So you get away with one of these devices. Well, it's 3 of them. I only have 2 hands, but you get to walk away with one of them. So 100 Emalangeni or more, as many times as you want, equals the number of entries that you have to walk away with these amazing devices. This is, by the way, the leading smartphone in the market right now. So you do want to enter this competition. And she's highlighted the market price of this device. And you're looking at spending... you could spend less than 500 Malangeni and walk away with it. Where else besides the Eswatini Mobile can you get such a deal? But that's not all. We've spoken about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's talk about the launch of the 5 gigabytes, which is a daily data bundle that everyone is talking about. There's a lot of excitement around it. Yeah, let's talk about it.
Okay. Okay, so before we get into 5GB, I wouldn't be doing justice to our customers if I didn't tell them about the T's and C's. Because,
for the iPhone.
Exactly. It's so easy to see it and think you are in it, but you're not really in the, in the running to win this iPhone. So maybe just before we get into the 5G. So the T's and C's, how you get to participate or enter the draw. First of all, you need to be 18 years and above. And then 2, you need to be valid, so fully compliant. You've given us your ID, proof of registration, and your number is under your name. So that is why we require your identity. So that is very, very key, because when we call you on the 28th and we say Sfiso, and then Buhle is answering, we move on. And another thing that Eswatini must know is that if we call you and you don't pick, you will only have up to the 3rd of December to contact Eswatini Mobile. Then after that, we'll just hold another draw. We give Eswatini an opportunity now to say win because we couldn't reach you. So
the draw will happen on the 28th. Which means today is the 18th, there's 10 days. So even if you're not a you're not with Eswatini Mobile yet, you can still register with Eswatini Mobile.
Yes.
Buy airtime as many times as you can. 100 rands Malangeni airtime as many times as you can, and you get a chance to walk away with this device.
Yeah.
Wow, man, such a rewarding.
It's that easy.
Yeah.
It's that simple. And also, this, I don't want Maswati to look at this promotion as just, or this phone as just the prize.
Yes.
It's more of a gateway. You know, it's an experience that demonstrates how we can utilize this emerging new technologies into our lives.
Right,
you know, how we can connect, learn, grow from it. Because, you know, Sfiso, with the first world,
right,
that His Majesty came so that once for this country.
Yes.
It's a big vision.
100%.
And you know, for us as telcos, the vision is smart living. You know, connected device, seamless digital experiences, and to get there, it's a long journey. And we want to start with just merely owning a premium device, you know, learning how to be comfortable with the new technologies, how to set up this device, you know, safe browsing, privacy, basics, digital skills. And so the strategy behind this promotion is bigger than just the phone.
Yeah,
you know.
100%. And one of the keen people that have been asking about the competition, well, at least to me, is actually a filmmaker and is looking to shoot films with it, and that's why they've entered the competition. So the device is more than just the aesthetics of it all, but the features that come with it really align with the modern day features. Yeah, it's a bigger vision. Let's talk about the 5 gigabytes daily data before our time runs out. Such an interesting offering again. Everyone is talking about it. What is the catch here, and why did Eswatini Mobile say, let's meet Swati halfway and make the data affordable and accessible?
We're excited about the 5 GB. It's a daily data bundle. So now, the exciting part about this daily data bundle is that we can run it any day.
Right.
It's not just a promotion that will be run, or not necessarily a promotion. It's not really a product that will be run or made available only on Sundays.
Right.
But you'll see surprises on Tuesday, on Thursday, and we will communicate with the Maswati. If we are to run it on a Tuesday, on Monday there will be a communication that is sent out to Maswati to say, tomorrow get 5G for 10 Malangin. Just like we've been doing the past 2 Sundays. So we've released it the first Sunday and then the last Sunday, where my customer were able to access 5 GB anytime data for just 10 Malangeni. Now, when we say we're an affordable network, we really mean it. It's not just words. And I think we have shown that we are a true partner with Leswati with this 10 Malangeni offer.
And certainly the digital lifestyle with which you have alluded to already is quite essential. And for someone that is used to the 5 gigabytes daily data myself, I know that I've been able to stream, I've been able to chat to my friends. It's just made my life easier on Sunday. So we thank you for that offering. And we hope Swati continue to enjoy it. But, I want to give you an opportunity to speak to Liswati at home that is listening and wants to win the iPhone and perhaps wants to enjoy the 5 gigabytes daily data. What should they do going forward?
Okay. So it's simple. And I'm not just speaking to Eswatini Mobile customers, but I'm speaking to all Liswati. The only thing you need to do is to load E100 airtime. So we want you to be confident in participating in the digital economy. And this technology allows you to do that. We need to take Eswatini to the first world economy, and we're saying let's do it together with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, I don't work for iPhone. I trust me, I don't. I work for Eswatini Mobile, but I believe that this technology is a glimpse to that world that we're looking into participating in. Thank you.
Masipo, thank you so much for your time. Maswati Lamahle, I mean, I'm touching the phones. These are real. These are not just boxes. These are real phones. So please just do what you have to do to get yourself an opportunity to win one of these. And also, stay tuned and always listen to Eswatini Mobile and look out for their messages for their 5 gigabytes daily data offering, with which you can enjoy the whole day without depleting, right? You will literally go the whole day without depleting that 5 gigs daily data. It's going to fuel your work, your entertainment, and everything in between. Well, Eswatini Mobile's commitment to innovation